Hi there. Welcome back again. In this quick video, you'll learn how to set up iCare Data Recovery Professional Edition on Windows computers. First, visit the official website and go through the documentation provided. It's not necessary, but it's recommended if you want to understand the tool properly. Next, copy the installer download link and download the software. The download will take only a second or two to complete since the file size is very small, around 7 megabytes. Now, go ahead and run the installer, then complete the installation process. By default, the Pro Trial Edition allows you to recover only up to 1 gigabyte of data. That's why we need to upgrade it. So, copy the official promotional code from the giveaway page and paste it inside the application. Once done, click on Register. You can use any of the available promo codes, but keep in mind that you have only 4 days left to claim this offer, valid until July 1st, 2026. After activation, you're free to recover all your data without any restrictions. If this tool helped you recover your data, don't forget to like, share, and hype this video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.